Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing video, and this is a cap that I ordered from Kenzo. Again, Kenzo is like one of those brands now that kind of like appeal to me. So in the future, I might try to buy some shirts like with a tiger design on it, like cause I had a plain white from the real last time, but I want to get like from the actual website, or a bag. Cause like I saw on the website that that they have a new style coming, so I'll show it in this like a clip after this, and then yeah, so that looks interesting though. So yeah, so this one is a cap. It's not like like super stylish, but it's like one of those like like recognizable because it has like the name on it on the cap. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this one. Let's see what they have over here. So I'm gonna unbox this one so you guys can see. I'm just tearing this apart. Oh, sorry. Okay. It's cool that they didn't use like a tape to actually like seal this one. And then we open the box, it has like Kenzo on it. So it's same as like Hermes last time, that they have the, when you open like the box when you order, like it has like a design. So it's really cool that that the box is actually like also customized to them. And this one, they have the Kenzo information. It's just basically the invoice from my order that's gonna be over here. Yeah, cool. That I'll keep this one though, just for. So this is a cap, the cap that I ordered, and I see in the bottom like it has like also like a storage, like a dust bag for the cap. Let's see. I'm gonna open this one. So yeah, this is the last week that I don't have class, because starting next week we're gonna have nursing school class already, and then the first day that we have to show up would be like we have an exam coming up, so I need to study also for that. I think I should be good though, but I'm guessing I can't really underestimate the exam. Sometimes there's gonna be a challenging questions in the exam. So this one would be the dust bag. It's really cool that even though we're just like a cap, that you get like a freebie like this, right? So Kenzo, yeah, it looks really neat over here. So that's the dust bag, and the actual cap looks like this. And if you can see also that there's like hardware over here, and then if you see this one over here, it's actually like sewed in. It's like, see this one, it's sticking out, so it's not like what you painted, or yeah, it's actually. And then the back part, or the inside part of the interior part of the cap would be nothing crazy. It's just like nothing, because like I saw some hats before that they have like Kenzo, like like label like all around, all over the place at the inside. And this one, yeah, and then the tag over here, Kenzo. Alright, so and then let me try if it's fit. Yeah, my head is big, so I need to readjust it. Yeah, I just need to be careful because the hardware over here might like scratch. Let's see. So if you open this one, it's just gonna be. Yeah, so alright, so if you want to adjust this one, just do this, I'm guessing, and then it's just gonna allow you to actually like, yeah, so it's gonna allow you to actually like lengthen this one based on your head. Let's see if it's gonna fit me now. Alright, it fits me now, so yeah, and I'm gonna take the tag off after. But yeah, so this is the fun part. And then this is the back part. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day.